We'll start with meteorologist Steve Sosna. Steve, I was saying when I stepped out of the house at 3-something this morning, it felt so lovely, but the wind has really picked up since then.
Yeah, I was on the WJZ Outback, and I was not prepared for class. It was cold, so I'm going to go out there at 6:30 and do it a little differently here, as should you, because if you're heading outside, you may not feel that gust of wind right away. I didn't feel it, Cena didn't feel it earlier on, and then 15 minutes later, all of a sudden, the wind is picking up. And you can see that with the flag here. At times, it's relaxed. At other times, it is flapping in that wind here. So we have a chilly morning feel, a gusty breeze that continues to increase today. Today is kind of the appetizer to tomorrow, which will have some strong, potentially damaging winds, flagging that as a possible first alert weather day. First alert radar is quiet here this morning. Wind chills. Good morning to you in Catonsville. It feels like 31. At times when that wind blows harder, it feels colder. 27 in Severn, 29 Joppatown, 29 Reisterstown, Towson. You feel like 31. 48 degrees will be your top number of the day. There is a difference between today and yesterday. More clouds here this afternoon, and the breeze is definitely more aggressive. So I would dress for a chilly day. Not as crazy cold as last week, but still, it is a winter day, so dress for it with the hats and the gloves, especially if you're going to be outside for a little while. Good morning and welcome back. It is almost 6:15 here on a Tuesday morning, and today, similar to yesterday, but not identical. What you need to know is the breeze is a little bit more aggressive. There you see the flag just starting to flap in the wind. You know, this wind is kind of tricky because you may first walk out and you don't feel any wind at all, and then all of a sudden, the wind hits you with a gust of 25, even 35 miles per hour. So I would dress for the chill here this morning, even more so than yesterday, because we're going to lose the sunshine here this afternoon. So it's not a bad day. It's just different than yesterday here with that gusty breeze and sunshine giving way to clouds. Looked over some of the newer information, upgrading tomorrow to an alert day here for strong winds, 45 to 55 mile per hour gusts. That could start as early as the morning commute tomorrow, and that'll continue through about mid to late afternoon. We have steady rain and breezy weather on Friday, so this will help kind of wash the streets, wash your car, wash everything off of all that salt and crud that's everywhere here. About a half an inch to an inch of rain with that system. And then the improvement here, we have some good news, a dry and chilly weekend. Western Maryland has just been hit really hard with strong, even damaging wind gusts, up to 70 mile per hour wind gusts through noon today. That's Western Maryland. Tomorrow we'll have our opportunity of wind gusts 45 to 55 miles per hour. Already this morning, they're starting to step up. Winds gusting 20 to 25 miles per hour. Feels like temperatures upper 20s to low 30s. Satellite radar, not too bad. Mid to upper 40s here for this afternoon with that gusty wind. In your neighborhood, on your corner, we'll take you to Anne Arundel County. 47 today, Glen Burnie, 47 Shadyside, and 47 in Odenton. Good morning. It is 6:23. It is a Tuesday, and there is the WJZ Outback. I'll be out there in here in a couple minutes to show you what the conditions are like, but a sneak preview there, 38 degrees, not so fast, so that wind is gusty at times, and that will drop the wind chill down to 32 or 31. First alert, Super 7-day forecast. We have a lot to talk about, so let's get right to it here. We have an alert day possible, or alert day in effect here for tomorrow for winds gusting 45 to 55 miles per hour. Thursday, we get a new drought update. I know it's hard to believe, but in that midst of the cold, we didn't really get that much snow, and so we really do need the rain. We have about a half an inch to an inch of rain coming in on Friday. So the morning commute on Friday, the lunch hour on Friday, the evening commute on Friday, everything's going to be running slower than normal. It's not a major storm, but it definitely will be messy. The good news, though, the reward is your weekend. Low 40s here as we welcome in the first weekend of February and, the groundhog on Sunday.